guys, so I just picked this waffle maker. It's like a waffle bite thing at Target today. They had like a 50% off sale going on, so I picked this up and I want to try it out. I have like, let me see, I have a Belgian waffle maker. I have another mini waffle maker. I think it does square. It's like this, but it's just the small square ones. And then I have like a double one. It's supposed to be flat, but I got it for like $3 at CVS on clearance, but it doesn't work that good. But this seems so cool. I thought this would be so fun to make ahead of time for the kids so they can easily just warm these up in the morning, have some quick little mini waffles. So let's get this thing open and see what it looks like. So I went ahead and got it open. It was inside these little things. Let's see. There's like a latch that you have to press. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So fun. So fun. So excited to use this, you guys. Cannot wait. So I'm going to get this going, get some pancake batter mixed up, and then we'll see how this thing does. Okay, you guys, so I've got this sprayed with some oil. I just went ahead and used some of this. I've got this pancake mix stuff I get at Sam's Club. You could buy something like this at Costco too. I like the Krusteaz brand or whatever, but I just use this one, and I don't know. I just put some in a bowl. You can follow. They have waffle mix directions if you wanted to just do waffle, different things. But I like those cinnamon waffles from Eggo, whatever. So I just take some of that and put a little cinnamon in it. I'm just going to add some water, get this all mixed up real quick. So I got it all mixed up. Sorry for the light. I didn't follow the instructions on the water. I just put what feels right. I think this feels right. So I'm going to start, excuse all this stuff. I had some brownies we made last night. Kind of left them out, but anyway. Just gonna grab a little spoon and start spooning it on. It's better actually if you pour it. Let me get something to pour it, hold on. So I just went ahead and put it in here. If you have a squeeze bottle, it'll probably work better. The reason why I tried this last night because of course I had to test it out, you guys, and I'm doing too much. Don't put so much or it's gonna overflow. But yeah, I tested this out last night because I was so impatient. We just did like one small batch. I did like a half a cup of, my kids loved it. They're like, yeah, we want that for breakfast. But I was just spooning it and I realized that it cooks fast. So by the time you're done spooning the last one, like see that first one? I overdid it, but it'll be okay. All right, I'm just gonna let this go until this light cuts on and tells me it's done. Okay, so it looks like this light came on. I tried to lift it up. It's not, I broke a pancake waffle thing, so I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna, when I lifted it up, see that? That's not cool. So I guess I'm gonna leave it for another minute or two. Okay, you guys, so I just went ahead and opened it. This is my first batch. I could leave it in a little longer. If you like them crispy, you can. This one, I don't know what happened. It's crispy though. But yeah, that's why I left it in a little longer. So I'm just going to pull these out. Just throw them on this little paper plate real quick. Ooh, okay, these are so fun, you guys. These remind me of those little Eggos that are like, what? They have the 4 connected like this. Those are my favorite to buy when I was a kid. I'm going to eat one. They're so good. Don't even need syrup, guys. So good. So got my second batch poured in. And I did use that because, like I said, when you're doing it with a spoon, it cooks fast. So, but my kids are so excited, you guys. I found this at Target yesterday. They have it for 50% off. So if you're interested, guys, go check out Target. Check out their price. When it scanned, when I rang it up, it didn't ring up for 50% off. But the lady had to manually do it because I had took a picture of the sign. And she was like, oh, okay, they must put that in the wrong spot. But it was weird because they had a ton of them in the same spot. So anyway, so since I took the picture, she gave me the 50% off. So go check out your Target, you guys, and see if you can find this. You could probably order on Amazon. I didn't see this particular model on Amazon, the round one. I saw like the square one. And I think it does like 8 8 waffles. This one does 7. But I was not planning. I am a super like sporadic buyer when it comes to certain things. I was just going in to get a 50% off deal on some Anytizers because there's a coupon in the Target app for Anytizers or anything Tyson, 50% off. You can get up to 4. I was gonna go use that coupon. When I was walking back from the freezer section, I saw this and ended up throwing it in my car. So let's see, I think the light came on, but it just doesn't feel ready when I try to lift it up. But okay, it looks much better than last one. I like them a little more crispy, so I'm gonna leave this in for another minute. All right, you guys, so this is my second batch. These are all done. They're hot. Definitely need to use like a tongue or something. But this is it, you guys. Give this a try. I hope you guys I'm gonna make a ton of these and put them in the freezer for a little quick breakfast. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest, you guys, I don't understand. The cutest thing ever. So thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have one of these or if you want one, let me know, guys. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. My kids are confused. Okay, I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.